Hi, so today we're going to be working on problem 9A from the second homework assignment. So the question is, Indigo Corporation began operations on July 1st. It uses a perpetual inventory system. During July, the company had the following purchases and sales. Calculate average cost for each unit. So the first two are pretty simple. On July 1st, we purchased 11 units at a unit cost of $98. Since we don't have anything to average yet, since there's only one unit cost, we're just going to use $98. And the same goes for July 6th. We sell 8 units, and we're just going to use the previous cost of $98 for that. Then for July 11th, we have another purchase of 5 units at $104 each. So for this one, we take the 11 units we started with, minus the 8 units we sold. Then we are left with 3 units at $98 plus the 5 units at $104. So when we do the math, that's $294 plus $520 equals $814. Then we divide by the total units we have, which is 8, and we get $101.75. So we're going to put that for the average cost for July 11th. And we're going to use that for July 14th as well, because we sell 5 units and we use the previous average cost to for that as well. And then we have another purchase of 6 units at $112 on July 21st. If you remember, on July 14th, we sold 5 of the 8 units priced at $101.75. So we're left with 3 units at $101.75 each, plus the 6 units at $112. So we add those totals together, which are right here, and that equals $977.25. Then we divide by the total units we have, which is 9. We get that from 6 plus 3, and that equals $108.58. So that's going to be our average cost for the last 2 dates. Then for part B, or I guess part A2, we are finding the ending inventory under perpetual inventory system using FIFO, moving average, and LIFO. We can see that there are a total of 22 units that we sold by adding up all of these. So we know that we have 4 units left by subtracting 22 minus 18, which we get from this column. So we start with the most recent purchase of 6 units, because we're going to start with FIFO. Under FIFO, we take the unit cost of the most recent purchase and work backwards until all units of inventory have been costed. So since we have 4 units left, we start with the most recent purchase of 6 units, and so we're going to use this price to evaluate all 4 units that we have left. So we're just going to multiply 4 times 12, or 112, sorry, and we're going to get our ending inventory cost of $448. And we'll put that right here under the FIFO. So to find the moving average, we are supposed to, so the weighted average unit cost is applied to the units on hand to determine the cost of the ending inventory. So we already found the weighted average in part 1, which would be this number right here, $108.58. So we use this to price the last 4 units. So we multiply these two together, 4 times 108.58, and we get an ending inventory cost of $434.32. So we put that right here. So LIFO is where it gets tricky, at least for me. So to figure out LIFO, we have to take the unit cost of the earliest goods available for sale and work forward until all of inventory has been costed. So we start with 11 units at $98. Then we sold 8 of those units. So we're left with 3 units at $98. Then we purchased 5 units at $104, but we sold those 5 units. So we would use the price of the most recent purchase, and so basically they cancel out. So we're still left with 3 units from the $98 cost. Then we bought 6 units at $112 each, but we sold 5 of them. So we're left with 1 unit at $112, plus the 3 units at $98. So that's the 4 units that we're looking for. We remember our ending inventory is 4 units. So what we do is we basically just multiply those out and add them together, and we get a total of $406. So that's our LIFO. And then for part B, we are just asked what is the method that produces the highest ending inventory valuation, and we can see from here that FIFO produces the highest at 448, so we just choose FIFO. Alright, that's all I have for you. Thank you for listening. Hopefully this helped, and feel free to ask me any questions in the comments. Thank you.